Hey everybody, BadKitty has just hit version 1.5, which is pretty sweet, and I want to show you some of the new features that are available here. It is wicked fast and very pretty. So here it is. This is the screen that you've seen before with the vertical strips for your different sections, and you can see it looks the same as it does before, but then when you jump in, there's a whole new look to it here. It's very cool looking. They've added a couple of new looks to the home screen. That's Kit 9. There's also this new look called Cobalt, which we can switch to here. You get that neat little weighting thing as well. So we're actually going to stick with KT9 because I really like it. Going through the preferences here, I really like the way that this is designed to look with these different sections here. We'll turn the quick menu on so I can show you that. You can set notifications, intervals, set it to run in the background, of course, see what you want to be notified for. Unfortunately, you can't set notifications account by account, which is disappointing. There's new options for uploading images. You can add your Bitly account if you want to track that stuff. You can set where it opens on startup, and so on. A new option here, when you tap on a tweet, it can pop up a link instead of directly going into the full tweet if you want to do it that way. I actually prefer to have it go into the full tweet. So we're going to do that, and then we can jump in here, say go to this tweet from Mechanical Mind. It shows you the conversation, of course, and then there's all these options. When you click retweet, you can choose the old or the new style, which is pretty cool. But another thing that's really sweet is you can swipe this option at the bottom to copy the text from the tweet, even copy the URL for the tweet for sharing it, which is an option I really think every Twitter client ought to have. It's pretty cool. And the scrolling is just crazy fast. I mean, that's just really good. You can, of course, scroll to top to bottom. When you get new tweets, it now jumps directly to the new tweet, so it saves your place, which is also very, very cool. And let's see here. Let's show another feature here. Look at some of my @replies on my Backlon account. So we can see here. Here's a tweet with a whole bunch of people that sent it to me, and so we go into that and we go to reply. There's this new feature where you can automatically add other people to your reply. It's like a reply all option, which is very, very cool. I like that. There's also, of course, just type to start tweeting, which has always been there. And you can also tweet from multiple accounts at once, which is very cool. Another feature that's neat is if you start typing with an @account here, the tweet switches to a user profile button, and you can go directly to somebody's user profile and look at the information on them, which is really neat. And then one last feature, there's improved support for images. So let's see if we can find a tweet with an image attached to it. I know I've got something here. I don't think Flickr works. Yeah, that's not BadKitty's fault though, because Flickr still just shows up with little links. But I know I saw something with there's something with a TwitPic. So there's the image there, and then you can zoom into the image, and it will also work in horizontal. Of course, pinch to zoom works as well. And you can save it as a wallpaper directly from BadKitty, or you can just save the photo, which is pretty cool. Man, there's just a ton. We've got trending topics showing up in the search/trends, which is very cool. It keeps your saved searches from Twitter. I don't have any of mine here because they're secret. I don't want to show them to you, so I deleted them all. It's very full featured. The only real problem I have with it is, you need to jump. You're doing a lot of back gestures to switch between different views, but some people prefer that. I prefer to have buttons directly, but it's so fast compared to other Twitter clients that in practice I don't really mind it. And so this is my default Twitter client, BadKitty 1.5, and if you used it before, I highly recommend you check it out again with this new upgrade. And if you haven't, it should be in the app catalog right now. I think it's going to be $1.99. Definitely worth it. So there you go. My new favorite Twitter client, BadKitty on webOS.